Have you ever thought about becoming your own banker? Well, there's a concept known as infinite banking that can help you do just that. It's a financial strategy that utilizes a whole life insurance policy as a personal banking system. Imagine having the ability to borrow against the cash value of your policy to finance various expenses. This isn't just about saving or spending money, it's about controlling your wealth, having liquid assets at your disposal, and growing your wealth over time. With infinite banking, you can enjoy benefits like tax advantages, the power of compound interest, and even legacy planning. It's about understanding the power of your money and making it work for you. It's about financial independence and long-term wealth accumulation. So, are you ready to become your own banker? New here? Stay informed. Subscribe now for more invaluable financial tips. Infinite banking is not a new concept. Rather, it finds its roots in the teachings of a man named Nelson Nash. Nash, a visionary in his own right, introduced the world to the concept of becoming your own banker. This revolutionary idea revolves around two main components: cash value accumulation within a whole life insurance policy, and the savvy use of policy loans for personal financing. With infinite banking, the cash value of your life insurance policy is not just a dormant asset, it's a powerful tool you can leverage to finance various expenses. This is achieved by borrowing against the accumulating cash value, essentially creating a personal banking system. Moreover, the concept of policy loans introduces a unique dynamic. Instead of relying on traditional banks for loans, you become your own source of finance, offering a degree of control and flexibility seldom seen in conventional banking systems. The idea here is to promote financial independence and long-term wealth accumulation. The foundation of infinite banking is a whole life insurance policy. So, what exactly is a whole life insurance policy? Well, in simple terms, it's a type of permanent life insurance that offers guaranteed premiums, a cash value component, and a death benefit for beneficiaries. Let's break these components down a bit. Guaranteed premiums mean that the cost of your policy won't increase over time. This can provide financial stability, as you'll always know what your monthly or annual insurance costs will be. Now, on to the cash value component. This part of your policy is like a savings account that grows over time, at a rate set by the insurance company. It's a tax-deferred account, meaning you won't pay taxes on the growth while it's accumulating. Over time, this cash value can become a significant asset. But here's where infinite banking comes into play. This cash value isn't just sitting there, it can be borrowed against. This is called a policy loan. You can borrow this money for any reason, without going through a credit check or loan approval process. And the best part, the policy loan interest goes back into your policy, not into a bank's pocket. Finally, let's discuss the death benefit. This is the lump sum that is paid out to your beneficiaries when you pass away. It's tax-free and can provide a financial safety net for your loved ones. The combination of these features, guaranteed premiums, cash value growth, and a death benefit, make a whole life insurance policy a powerful tool within the infinite banking concept. It allows you to become your own banker, giving you control over your finances and potentially leading to long-term wealth accumulation. Infinite banking with a whole life policy can lead to financial security and generational wealth transfer. This concept may seem complex at first, but once understood, it can become a key strategy in achieving financial independence. So, are you ready to delve deeper into the world of infinite banking? Now, how do you set up your own infinite banking system? Well, it's a journey that begins with a step towards understanding and embracing the concept of becoming your own banker. First, you'll need to choose a whole life insurance policy. This isn't any ordinary life insurance policy. It's a policy that comes with a cash value component that grows over time. It's crucial to select a policy from a reputable insurer, one that has a track record of consistent performance and reliable service. You can find a website link of the person I recommend in the description below. Once you have your policy in place, the next step is to maximize the growth of your cash value. This is achieved by paying your premiums consistently. Regular premium payments contribute to the growth of your cash value, transforming your insurance policy into a robust personal banking system. But remember, infinite banking isn't a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. It requires active participation. You'll need to monitor the performance of your policy regularly, adjusting as needed to optimize the strategy for long-term financial success. This could mean increasing your premium payments when you have extra cash or borrowing against the policy when you need funds. It's also worth mentioning that while this strategy can be implemented independently, it can be complex. Therefore, consulting with a financial advisor experienced in the infinite banking concept could be beneficial. They can guide you through the process, helping you align the strategy with your financial goals and navigate any potential pitfalls. You can find the website link in the description below of who I recommend. Infinite banking isn't for everyone, but for those who understand and embrace its principles, it can be a powerful tool for wealth accumulation and financial independence. It's a strategy that requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to long-term thinking. So, if you're ready to take the reins of your financial destiny, to seize control of your money and use it to build a legacy, then infinite banking might just be the strategy you've been searching for. Remember, infinite banking is a long-term strategy that requires diligence and regular monitoring. It's not a quick fix, but a journey towards financial freedom and prosperity. Finding this helpful? Subscribe and stay updated with our latest insights. Like any financial strategy, infinite banking has its pros and cons. Let's delve into the advantages first. One of the key benefits of infinite banking is the tax advantage. The growth of the cash value in your whole life policy is tax deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the increase in value until you withdraw funds. Moreover, when you take out a loan against your policy, it's not considered taxable income. Next up, we have liquidity. Unlike other investment vehicles, with infinite banking, you can access your funds relatively quickly through policy loans. This can be particularly beneficial in cases of unexpected expenses or investment opportunities. Control is another significant advantage. With infinite banking, you become your own banker. You're in control of financing your needs without relying on conventional banks or going through credit checks or loan approval processes. Lastly, whole life policies offer stable and predictable growth, providing a secure asset that isn't subject to the same market volatility as other investments. However, like all good things, infinite banking also has its downsides. Firstly, cost. Whole life insurance premiums are typically higher than term life insurance premiums. This makes it a significant investment, and it may not be the right choice for everyone. Secondly, complexity. Understanding the ins and outs of whole life insurance and the infinite banking concept requires a fair bit of financial knowledge. It's not as straightforward as opening a savings account at your local bank. Lastly, while policy loans can be beneficial, they're not free. You'll pay interest on the loans you take out. Even though the interest paid goes back into your policy, it can still be a financial burden if not managed properly. Infinite banking is not for everyone. It requires a good understanding of financial concepts and careful management, but for those who grasp it and use it wisely, it can be a powerful tool for wealth accumulation and financial independence. Infinite banking has changed many lives. Just imagine, a single mother from the heartland of America, juggling 2 jobs and struggling to make ends meet. She discovers the concept of infinite banking and decides to take the plunge. She purchases a whole life insurance policy and begins to regularly pay premiums. Over time, she builds up a sizable cash value in her policy and starts using it to finance her needs. Instead of relying on credit cards or personal loans, she now has her own source of funding. This approach not only helps her manage her finances better, but also secures a financial legacy for her children. Now let's consider a small business owner from the vibrant city of New York. He's always been wary of banks and their often stringent loan approval processes. Discovering the infinite banking concept, he decides to become his own banker. He invests in a whole life insurance policy and leverages it to fund his business operations. This strategy provides him with a stable and predictable cash flow, allowing him to focus on growing his business rather than worrying about finances. Or take the case of a young professional in Silicon Valley. She's ambitious, driven, and wants to build wealth for the future. She stumbles upon the concept of infinite banking and decides to give it a try. She purchases a whole life insurance policy and consistently pays her premiums. Over time, she borrows against her policy to invest in various assets, creating multiple streams of income. This strategy helps her accumulate wealth while also providing a safety net for unexpected expenses. These are just a few examples of how individuals from different walks of life have used infinite banking to achieve their financial goals. The beauty of this concept lies in its versatility. Whether you're a single parent, a business owner, or a young professional, you can tailor the infinite banking strategy to suit your unique financial needs and aspirations. These success stories can serve as inspiration for your own financial journey. Infinite banking is not just about becoming your own banker. It's a journey towards financial independence, control, and long-term wealth accumulation. It's about making your money work for you in the most efficient way possible, using a whole life insurance policy as a personal banking system. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Infinite banking is a financial strategy that was born from the teachings of Nelson Nash. The system is built around a whole life insurance policy, which offers guaranteed premiums, a cash value component that grows over time, and a death benefit for beneficiaries. The cash value can be accessed through policy loans, providing a source of funds for personal banking needs. The implementation of this strategy requires careful consideration and consistent action. Choosing a reputable insurer, paying premiums consistently, leveraging policy loans wisely, and monitoring the policy regularly are critical steps in setting up a successful infinite banking system. It's a complex strategy, but with the right knowledge and guidance, it can be a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. We've also discussed the advantages and disadvantages of infinite banking. The tax benefits, liquidity, control, and stable growth it offers outweigh the costs and complexities for many. But remember, while the interest paid on policy loans goes back to the policy, it can still be a financial burden if not managed properly. We've shared some real-life success stories that demonstrate the effectiveness of this strategy. These individuals have built wealth and financial security through infinite banking, showcasing its versatility and potential for success in various life scenarios. Infinite banking is a journey, not a destination. It's a strategy that requires commitment, discipline, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards can be significant. It offers the potential for financial security, tax advantages, and generational wealth transfer. With infinite banking, you can take control of your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Your journey to becoming your own banker starts now. So, are you ready to take the first step? The choice is yours. Now is the time to take control of your financial future. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon to stay notified and share to inspire others. See you in the next one.